So this upper level, you can see they've started the walls on the steady. And look at that, looks just like a regular old American style foundation, right? So something I haven't really pointed out before, but all the electrical outlets go in here. They're all sideways to what we're used to in America. They go horizontally and not vertically. Now they're getting the septic tank cleaned out so they can, it's just debris. So we can seal it. Good morning, afternoon. Good morning. Still morning. God, these walls are super nice here. Originally my intent was to cover that with this section here with what looks like wood. Good morning. Well, I still want to do that. Probably wouldn't have to put such a nice finish on it if we weren't going to do that, but it does give us the option not to. If we ever take it off, and it'll look good. Well, let's see what's up here now. I haven't been up here since they started this. So this is the study that I pointed out. Ceiling height looks good.